Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, you're going to see Oklahoma City police arrest a former cop for DUI. This former Oklahoma State sheriff just so happened to have a former gang member with him in the car as well. This video comes to you from the channel Total Police Transparency. Be sure to check out their channel and give them the credit that they deserve. Watch this interaction that took place on August 18th and let me know your thoughts below in the comment section.
How you doing, man? You gonna roll the window down all the way for me? Sure. I appreciate you, man. You got your license on you?
I do not.
That's fine, man. I'm not worried about it, bro. I just want to see your ID, your license. Did you not have it in your wallet that's right there? Thanks, bro. You got your ID on you, man? Where'd you do time at? Did you do it in Oklahoma or somewhere else? Okay. What'd I tell you? Brandon. That's who that guy was in the passenger seat, the guy walking around. Brandon. He said, well, I used to be a sheriff. He said, so now you're running around with this guy who's a DOC inmate? And he's hammered off of his butt. He's like, this isn't open. I said, I can freaking see that, bro. And he's like looking around for his wallet. I was like, the wallet in between your legs?
0641060, 126 in MacArthur.
He just kept talking. I said, you should probably stop fucking talking before you go to jail, bro.
Okay.
Shut up. Because he's just sitting there slurring. We'll make Brandon drive. If he doesn't have no warrants.
The things this officer said to his partner versus what he actually said to the occupants of the vehicle were completely different. I only say that because if the officer can easily fabricate and exaggerate his story in between trips to the car, imagine what kind of story he can make up for court if necessary, especially when he has time to tamper with body cam footage if necessary.
You got $10,000 warrant out of Delaware.
County? Brandon?
Yeah, endangering others while felony eluding.
Was there a Lieutenant Claire on the dispensary line?
Go and see him.
It's not OSW, it just says $7,900 and there's a bunch of other ones. Larceny of an automobile, assault and battery on a police officer. Here's another one, 2016 refusal to test for alcohol.
Is that Oklahoma City?
Gibson, it doesn't say this. It just says Oklahoma. Yeah, it's kind of funny how all the people who are users walk by and wave at him. They're getting really, really nervous, bro.
No, I'm wrapping up something, but I'll just say no, what's up?
Do you want a felony DUI? It's a guy who used to be a cop, buddy. He's hanging out with Brandon Hall, who's a known Norteño gang member.
We can call ASAP.
I can call. The thing is, I can call ASAP, but Wilson's going to get over the air and tell one of you guys to come over here.
He's not gonna.
What?
I know Gilder needs a DUI.
I called him. He didn't answer. He called me.
Okay. Give me 1 second. 3663.
Well, we'll see. This one's a really good one because this guy used to be a cop and he's hanging out with like really bad guys, and I think there's going to be a bunch of other stuff in this car. I think there's probably a gun in here and some dope because he's hanging out with a guy that I know pushes dope for Matthew Stroud.
It's.
And he's in a really nice truck with a paper tag in it.
What department is he working for?
Oklahoma County.
What?
Hey, buddy.
Hey, what's up?
So I get this traffic stop here. It's a felony DUI.
Okay.
And the guy in the passenger seat, I think it's going to be more than just the felony DUI. The guy in the passenger seat is a known Norteño gang member that pushes dope for a guy I've been trying to pin for a long time.
Okay.
Don't know if you want this felony DUI or not. I'm calling you.
I will take it. Let me get off this traffic stop and I can head your way.
We're at 36th and May at the On Q.
36 minutes empty. Okay, let me get off to this and then I'll head that way.
I find it weird that the officer in this video is trying to pass around this DUI onto other officers. Why do you think that is? Let me know below in the comments.
That's fine, mine's on. Just have to roll down the window. Knock on the door. He's being really weird, so.
Hey, man. Alright, so I'm gonna have you step out and run some tests, okay? Hang on. Just put that down. Now roll your window down all the way for me. No, you don't need to take another. Just put it away. Alright, put your hands up here. Okay, just leave your hands there as I open the door, okay? Nope, leave them on the car. Alright. Now do this. Alright, take a step out for me.
You ain't got a gun or anything on you, Keith, do you?
No, sir.
No weapons.
No, I just got my work
This way.
tools.
How long you been knowing Brandon?
I just helped him out today.
How much you had to drink tonight, bro? Be real.
I drank a little bit this morning.
How
Hands
much
behind
is
your back.
a little bit?
This morning,
Yes.
How much is a little bit?
put your palms together. Are you able to put your palms together? What's in here?
That's
No needles or drugs, sir? Okay, can we search you?
yes.
Okay.
Yeah. That's what.
So you drank this morning, but your speech is still this slurred from drinking this morning?
No, man, I hardly ever walk straight in the first place.
Does it smell like alcohol?
Yes.
It does?
It does. I'm not gonna lie to
Are
you.
you alcoholic, man?
Yeah. Okay. I've been battling it for a minute.
So would you want to perform some tests to see?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Brandon, you been taking care of your stuff in Delaware? Okay. We're on the phone making sure you're taking care of it. How you know this guy? Random guy just gave you a ride? He's drinking and driving, so you can't. You're not really supposed to be doing that, you know. So, I mean, it seems tonight that he has his own problems going on. So, does he have any guns in here? Did he say? You don't know. Okay, he didn't like pass one off because he's a felon also. So I don't want him to like passing it off on you and then trying to hit you up with it.
Come on, Brandon, you come sit with me, bro. Alright? Undo your seatbelt. You remember me? Ah, dude. Put your phone up there.
Oh, that's his wallet.
What's that, your wallet? Okay. Unlock this door, bro.
got my ID.
Hey, man. No guns on you, dude?
No, sir. Come on now.
Hey, man, I don't know. Know what I
I
mean?
have a knife, baby, but
I don't know, man. I don't know. Come walk back here for me, bro.
I got a pin on me.
I do.
Oh, you good?
Just come back here, sit in my car, man. You ain't in no trouble as long as you guys aren't up to nothing crazy. He's probably going, though.
So, try to get somebody to come up here and get a vehicle himself, maybe.
He's probably going, bro.
Try to get somebody to come up here and get a vehicle his family.
I don't know. It's probably gonna get towed. Just depends. He's drunk, obviously. We have new guys on the street that need DUIs. Okay, hey, but it's a felony DUI. That's the difference. If it was some misdemeanor DUI, I wouldn't be messing with it. Okay. Yeah, he has a ton of convictions for. So within 10 years, if you get convicted of a DUI, if you are DUI again, that's a felony. So he's had like several felony DUIs. So yeah.
No, I told you, I can't stand straight, even like when I'm.
Hello.
No, I didn't mean it.
Hey, we aren't fucking doing this, buddy.
No. I'm so sorry. I did not mean to contest it.
You weren't contesting. I'm just telling you. Either.
So why are you riding around with this guy?
Well, I picked him up on the way back to Nuwala. Well, I got a house that I'm building up out in North Edmond.
You used to work for county, right? So seeing somebody like that, you think that's probably a smart idea to pick up?
Man, this is what I do service work because of
Because of everything going on,
AA
dude.
and No, AA, this is what we do. Help.
Go back here.
Alright, that's going to do it for this interaction. From what I found online, it appears that Keith Williams, the former state sheriff, was never even charged for this incident. When you combine that with the possibility that the cop in this video was trying to give the DUI to another cop who most likely needed to fill a quota, this becomes a perfect example of police protecting their own and even their former. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up and go subscribe to Total Police Transparency. Remember to always record your police interactions. If you have one you'd like me to share, email it to recordpolicenow@gmail.com.